And every time you thought you fixed something, so say that the mind started out first thing in the morning about, I don't know, say you got to do the laundry, or oh my gosh, you have to hurry up and get this done. Like whatever the thing was it like as soon as you accomplished that task, it was coming right in again and saying, "But wait, what about this?" Was it kind of like that that's keeping you in that constant state of
Yes,
anxiety, or did it look different to
yes.
you?
No, you never let down. You never, I was constantly from the minute I hit, my feet hit the ground.
Yeah.
That's the way I thought life was lived. Not by
Mhm.
everybody at that extent, but I was always in an anxious state.
Mhm.
And until I was in the group and I started reading and I started listening to you, that I realized that I didn't have to live like that. That
Yeah.
there was a way to live, that it was peaceful, that it was that to me that was a new concept
Mhm.
because nobody has ever talked to me about it. I Even though I read a lot and I love to learn, I'm always trying to learn something new.
Mhm.
I never came across that. And
Yeah.
after my surgery, I think the need for something to change was so apparent, so on in my face, that when the student is ready, the teacher appears, and there you were. And the
Uh-huh.
half size me academy was there, and I just hang on to it, and it has changed my life completely. I look back a year ago. I mean, actually, this shirt, my husband bought it for me at the rodeo last year. He said 2X.
Oh,
I'm a
wow.
medium, and I
Yeah.
wore it today in honor of that.
I
It's
love that.
because if you would have told me a year ago, where I was so defeated, sick,
Mhm.
my health was failing me.
Mhm.
My body was in really bad state.
Mhm.
And if you would have told me that a year later I was going to be where I'm at, I would have said, "How? I need a
Yeah.
miracle." But look at me. I mean, I get emotional because
Yeah.
it's really been life changing for me. And it
Yeah.
wasn't the surgery. It wasn't
Yeah.
the surgery. It was working on my mind. It was
I
learning about what I can do different.